Hey guys, Katie Leverett with Hooray, and boy am I excited. I just got through finishing up our YouTube channel. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. All of our archives are out there, so if you've missed a video, go out there, check it out. We also have some exciting new things coming up, including some videos that are going to exclusively drop to that channel. So there are 6,000 of you guys in the Facebook world, and I want each and every one of you guys to head over to YouTube, hit subscribe. I promise you won't be disappointed. You're gonna love it. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. So go hit subscribe today.